Hi everyone. It is important that we understand the various types of electoral systems and voting mechanisms that are in place in various states around the world. As we have learned this week, the choice of system can have a dramatic effect on the outcome of elections. The first basic type of electoral system is the simple plurality or first past the post majority system. Now, this is the simplest system because the candidate with the most votes wins. Simple as that. It also reflects governments with larger majorities and may be less representative of true public opinion. Extremists or third parties do not usually have much of a chance of success. In the United States, for example, it's usually the Democratic and Republican parties who are the victors. Third parties, like the Green or Independent parties, are not as successful. Countries, including the United States and United Kingdom, for some elections, not all, use this system. The second basic type of electoral system is proportional representation. The goal of this type of system is to represent a wide range of public opinions as possible, instead of a majority versus a minority. Smaller third or extremist parties are more likely to succeed in a proportional system. Unfortunately, it could lead to political instability and infighting, as the party system can easily fragment. An example of this system in action would be if your party won 28% of the votes in an election, then your party would be awarded 28% of the seats in government. Since both first past the post and proportional representation produce different kinds of outcomes, more recently countries have adopted a hybrid or blended model called the alternative member model. Some seats are elected on simple first past the post majority, and others are elected on the basis of proportional representation. Germany, Scotland, and New Zealand are users of this system. Essentially, voters are given two ballots. The first ballot is usually counted as first past the post, also known as the majority winner. The second ballot is counted as a proportional representation, so candidates are awarded seats based on a percentage of the votes that they earned. I hope this clarified the three types of electoral systems for you and gave you a deeper explanation into those three types of systems.